What happens when a key figure in a strategic institution contradicts their own words? Welcome to a deep dive into this captivating controversy surrounding the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe and its new governor, Dr. John Mushayavanhu. Earlier this month, Dr. Mushayavanhu stepped into the role of governor after the resignation of John Magudya, amidst the introduction of a new currency, the Zimbabwe Gold, or ZIG. Yet his short tenure has already been marked by controversy, sparked by the critical words of Jonathan Moyo. Jonathan Moyo, a prominent figure in Zimbabwe, has publicly criticized Dr. Mushayavanhu, calling him a walking disaster and a proverbial goner. Moyo's concern stems from the governor's apparent denial of his own words uttered just a week prior regarding the origins of the new currency. Moyo quotes Dr. Mushayavanhu's initial statement from the 22nd of April 2024, in which he claimed the structure of the ZIG actually came from the World Bank because the Reserve Bank didn't know much about a structured currency. Yet a week later, the governor contradicted this statement, leading Moyo to accuse him of blatantly contradicting himself and saying opposite things about one and the same thing. According to Moyo, this flip-flopping is more than just a gaffe. It's a serious blow to public trust in a time when confidence in the new national currency is critical. Moyo suggests that Dr. Mushayavanhu should have owned his error, taken responsibility, and provided clear guidance for the future. The controversy surrounding Dr. Mushayavanhu's contradictory statements and Moyo's pointed critique raises critical questions about leadership, accountability, and the path forward for Zimbabwe's new currency. It's a stark reminder of the importance of clear and consistent communication, particularly in the context of monetary policy and public trust. So, what happens when a key figure contradicts their own words? In this case, it's a storm of controversy, a public critique, and a call for accountability. And as this story continues to unfold, the world will be watching closely to see how Dr. Mushayavanhu and the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe respond.